In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. We'll go from getting into your workspace, to locating the right place to view your tasks, and finally to deleting the one you no longer need. I'll also add a few small tips along the way to help you avoid deleting the wrong item. First, head to ClickUp using the app or your browser, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're looking at the correct workspace where your task was created, so you're working in the right place from the start. Keeping that in mind will save you time and prevent confusion if you manage multiple teams or projects. Next, choose the space you want. A space is the top-level area that groups your related folders, lists, and tasks. You'll find your spaces in the sidebar. Click the one that contains the task you want to remove. If you're not sure which space it's in, think about where the project lives or where your team typically organizes that type of work. Now, head to the List view. List view is ideal for this because it shows your task in a simple, structured table with columns like status, assignee, and due date. If you see a different view, such as board or calendar, look for the view tabs near the top of the screen and switch to List. This makes it easier to scan and precisely select the task you intend to delete. With List View open, find the task you want to remove. Take a moment to verify it's the correct one by checking its name, status, or any key details you recognize. When you're sure, select the task and look for the Delete option. Depending on your layout and settings, Delete may appear in the Task Quick Actions, in its context menu, or inside the task pane after you open it. Click Delete to remove the task. A quick note here, deleting a task takes it out of your list immediately. In some workspaces, deleted tasks may be moved to a trash or recycle area for a limited time, and you might see a confirmation prompt as a safety check. That's normal and helps prevent accidental removals. Once it's deleted, the task will disappear from your list view, keeping your workspace clean and focused on what matters. That's all there is to it. You've just deleted a task in ClickUp efficiently and safely.